In this video, I am going to talk about this Face Facts Vitamin C Face Serum. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Give a like to this video. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel, Srilekha Akash. I am a PG graduate in geology. I am a homemaker. In this channel, you can expect contents from me which will be related to the places I explore, the skincare products that I try on my skin, and then finally, here comes my handmade jewelry. Face Fact Vitamin C Cream. This contains vitamin C and glycerin. This cream costed me around £2. I bought this cream in Poundland shop in Coventry. The Face Fact is a good brand. That is the only reason why I bought this cream. This cream didn't suited me. You can see the ingredient list in this. This cream dries out my skin completely. I used it for 3 days continuously and I faced some burning sensations in my skin. Why this kind of vitamin C creams doesn't suits me? For the reason that my skin is sensitive. Oily skin type people can use this cream. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.